that you said you like it better. So I'm calling my dad because I wanted to know if I should wear a Scully, like a beanie that you guys always see me wear, or my hair like this. And this will be the only time you ever see me with my hair like this, I promise. So you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna film this video now. I love you.
Alright, love you too.
Alright, I'll call you. Okay guys, what's up? What did people even say in YouTube now when videos start, you know? I kind of forgot, being that I haven't posted so much over the past year. You know, the last thing I want to do ever is just like keep posting and not include you guys in what I'm doing in life, or not post, what am I saying? Not post and then not include you in what's going on with my life, but obviously it's just, there's just been a lot going on. For me, at least, for the last like year or two, and it's not because I'm not grateful for you guys, but at the same time, I think I've tried to be such a perfectionist with it, where when I want to make a video, if it's not perfect, you know, I don't want to post. I've just literally have established a whole new setup for myself with a new computer. As you guys can see, it's right here. And I'm really excited to just kind of like delve back into a consistent schedule. You know, I'm in a new place. This is a new house tour type of video, I guess that's what I'm going to title it. And I wanted to kind of show you guys where I'm living now. I used to be living in Koreatown. As you guys know, I experienced so much crap over there. Like, it was amazing to live there. It was like my first time living, you know, in an apartment. Really nice, had a beautiful view. But, you know, a lot of crazy things happened to me, like with my car. I don't even know if you guys know this, my car got stolen. Like, I got a new car in October, it got stolen. I don't know how the hell they opened the car, they stole it. It was gone for like 4 days. It all of a sudden appeared up in downtown LA, which is like 5 minutes from Koreatown, on a random street, you know, and it wasn't like that beat up, thank God. The car had 500 miles on it. I got it back at like 1,500. So I guess whoever took it, they went on a crazy trip. Regardless, I was happy to get it back. I didn't make a big stink about it. I don't think I showed you guys or talked to you guys about that, but I know that I had made videos on like my break-ins and stuff. Like, I had a break-in like a couple years back, and then I had another break-in during Easter like 2 years ago that I filmed, that I'll let you guys know, where they broke my window and stuff. So I was just running into so much stuff over there, and I'm realizing just like, you know, LA is amazing in so many ways, but crazy in so many ways as well. And you know, I was going to sleep at night worried about my car, so I thought it'd be nice to get away from that. It's been a crazy transition to just experience life out here as opposed to being on the East Coast, and it's been really fun. But I'm so grateful for what you guys have given me in my life, and the fact you guys are here. Just because I don't post doesn't mean I don't appreciate that. I just literally have been taking time away from social media just to kind of like feed my joy in other ways. I know I've gotten other jobs, like I've been bartending. Throughout the pandemic, it's been hard out here, so I've been trying to do as much to make money and save money to create what I have here, which is basically my new computer setup with like a new computer and stuff for editing. For the last like 7 months, I haven't had a computer. My computer kind of crashed. I spilled coffee on it like a year ago, 2 years ago, whatever, and it was working, and then I brought it to Apple. Couldn't really do much, so I just waited, and I wanted to make sure it was right the next time, so I got a new computer with a new build and whatnot. And I know every video I say I'm back, I've gotten your comments. Brett only posts videos when they're sponsored. You keep saying that you're gonna make videos, you break your promises, and it wasn't that I was breaking my promises. I apologize to you guys, seriously. It's not something that I wanted to happen, but at the same time, I needed just time to create this and kind of get into a good groove mentally to be able to make more videos for you guys, and I hope you can understand that. And if you don't, and that's okay. I know I probably repeat myself all the time, but because I don't make many videos, or I wasn't making many videos, I feel I need to say this. I tell friends this, I tell people that I trust this, and they say, you don't have to validate yourself, you don't have to explain yourself to anybody, but I want to. I want you guys to know how I truly feel, and how, you know, this whole experience on YouTube has been definitely something that I never expected to happen with my life. So I really do appreciate the fact that you guys are still sticking around, and I don't take any part of this for granted. You know, sometimes your inner peace and like the things that you want to do for your life, it's self-care is important. You have to put yourself first in many instances, and that's what I've been trying to do the last couple of years. Not because I didn't want to film, but because I didn't feel like I was in a good space to do it. I didn't have the proper equipment. I still don't feel like I have the proper equipment. Everything has been a build. But you know, that's where I am now. I'm still figuring out the lighting in here, so I apologize if it's not great. The sound probably isn't great, but I'm gonna do my best to just kind of create videos as we go to make sure that I can put whatever time I can back into this, and like with starting with this, and then also I have some crazy things that had happened to me in the last, not crazy, but I had like a health scare a little bit that I documented. Hopefully you guys are interested in seeing that. Not that it's like a oh my God, this is so cool to see. It's just like, this is something I went through. I got to go to a great doctor that helped me. And it was interesting for me because, you know, I got to go to a great doctor that helped me relieve that ailment, whatever. I don't even know if that's what I want to call it, but you guys will see in the next video. It's been a while since I've gotten back on YouTube, so if I'm a little bit rusty, please, you know, bear with me. As you guys know, when I first moved out here, I gave you guys a video in Santa Monica where I was, I told you guys I was moving, and then I pulled the thing off and I was in Santa Monica Pier. I'm not in Santa Monica, but I'm a little bit farther down south. I'm in the, I think South Bay, is that what it's called? I'm still learning the geography of it, but let me show you guys a little bit of where I'm at. So this is mostly the making of, you know, my new setting, and I also just moved in, so please bear with me here. I have a decent sized shower, thank God, because I'm a goon.
Me too. That hurt.
That's my little bathroom, obviously. This is my room, as I showed you before. My little setup here with my books and whatnot. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This is just for now. I have a mirror here. I ordered something for my computer, my desk from IKEA. And of course, hi Mom, love you. It was supposed to be like a pole to go underneath here to keep this supported. And they sent me like the insides of pillows.
What am I, running a bed and breakfast?
I'll probably be filming a lot of my videos right here, turned around. And like I said, I'm still figuring out the lighting in here. I don't even want to have my windows open like this, but this was the only way I could try to get decent lighting in this place for filming here the first time. So bear with me as I go with these videos. I promise you the lighting will get better, the sound will get better. And I'll be adding more to my room, of course, to just make the videos better as good as I can. Let's show you guys the rest of the house. And then I'm gonna get out of here and get out of your hair because I know I'm annoying talking about my hair.
Shut up!
Oh, this is a garage. Thank God. Now I don't have to go to bed at night worrying about my car or anybody stealing it or breaking into my windows. It's in a freaking garage. There's our front door. Just, how you doing? You know, this is my roommate's room. And these are some guest bedrooms for anybody who wants to visit us. So if you guys want to come visit, you have your own bathroom, you have your own room, let me know. Don't judge the setup yet. I'm not the best with interior decorating, but I have done most of the idea making for what I thought this next floor should look like. And this is it. Like I said, don't mind the mess. That's my roommate's dog set up. He lays on here. Where is, hey, Bluffy. Hey, little guy. Hi. There he is. This is a little setup right here. But this is the best part about the place that I thought would be dope was the kitchen. You know, the stove and the whole setup and the lighting here is great. So I figured, you know, we can get a lot of good stuff going in the kitchen. Maybe making a couple recipes for you guys, whatever you guys want. Honestly, it's really, you know, I just want to make you guys happy at the same time. Highly recommend an air fryer if you guys don't have one yet. Literally the best thing that I think was ever invented. I picked out these chairs for us. It was so hard because I didn't remember like exactly. So I took a gamble and I'm like, oh, these chairs probably look good. And I think they pretty much do, but Bluffy's obviously making himself comfy on the new couch. My roommate's like he's like a professional poker player, so that's why his dog's name is Bluffy, I think. Hey bud, say hi to YouTube. This is what I got, where we're at. There's a bathroom. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm sorry, I'm trying to, it's so hard to do this one man. Back there's a bathroom. What? What's the matter? You want to say hi to YouTube again? Yeah? Mm-hmm. And this is the best part of the house in my opinion. Right there. I've never lived at the beach before, and personally this is new for me, and you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love to surround myself in areas where I feel good. This is a place that did that at least. And if I'm living out in LA, I'd like to get the experience of living in the city, also living by the beach. It's something that I definitely wanted to try. So definitely looking forward to making more videos for you guys. Do appreciate those of you that stuck around, and I just want you to know that, like, you know, it just means a lot to me. It really does, and I can't really express it enough. I know I probably say it way too much.
What are you, stupid?
I try to express, you know, how I feel with you guys every time I put the camera on, because it's just how I feel, you know. I just feel like I haven't been as consistent on this as I've wanted to be. It was just about me and making sure that my life was good and making sure that I had everything in a good situation before really coming back and trying to consistently make more content. You know, it's been a battle, just like every day has been a battle for anybody out there. I'm not special.
It's supposed to be hard. The hard is what makes it great.
If we could all work together to get to that feeling of happiness and joy and feeling good about ourselves, let's do it together, you know?
We're gonna win.
And I know this might sound corny.
You're killing me. You're killing me!
I tend to overthink a little bit, and I'm trying to do my best not to, and trying to focus more on just, you know, putting myself out there and not regretting any part of that. This is it. This is my life now, and I'm going to do my best to show you guys what's going on and keep you guys involved as much as possible. All right, for another video, my name is Brett Cap. Thank you guys again, as always, for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I'll see you.
Miss Cuthbert, send me my special seat now, cutie.